How to cancel your Fortnite Crew subscription. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily cancel your Fortnite Crew subscription. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is log into your Fortnite account. And once you get to your account, you will see something like Play, Locker, Shop, Battle Pass on the top of your screen. You just want to click on the Battle Pass option, and then once you do that, you will be directly taken to your Fortnite crew. Here you can see different stuff like Battle Pass rewards, bonus rewards, quest rewards, Magneto, and your Fortnite crew. You just have to click on your Fortnite crew at the bottom right corner, and once you click on it, you will be taken to this new page where you have a bunch of options like your cancellation info, subscription terms, and then an option to go back. So go ahead and click on your cancellation info, and it will ask you if you want to cancel your subscription or not. Go ahead and click on cancel subscription, and once you do that, you will see a screen like this where they will say you have successfully canceled your subscription. Sorry to see you go. And once you do that, you'll have actually a few methods to verify. The first one is you will see this rejoin crew option at the bottom left of your screen, which indicates that you have successfully canceled your subscription, and it will ask you to rejoin. And the second one is right here, your membership will become inactive on this date. So these are the methods to verify that you have successfully canceled your subscription. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.